Let's know more. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and informative videos in the future. In this video, we will explore most visited cities in the world. Hope you will enjoy. Let's get started. Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey, was ranked as the most visited city in the world in 2023, according to Euromonitor International's World's Top 100 City Destinations report. The city attracted over 20 million international visitors in 2023, marking a 26% increase from the previous year. Istanbul is renowned for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. As a transcontinental city straddling Europe and Asia, Istanbul offers a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences. Some of its most famous landmarks include the Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace, and the Grand Bazaar. With its strategic location, fascinating attractions, and warm hospitality, Istanbul continues to attract millions of visitors from around the globe each year. London consistently ranks as one of the most visited cities in the world, attracting around 19.09 million international visitors. It's renowned for its historical landmarks, cultural institutions, diverse culinary scene, and vibrant atmosphere. Iconic attractions such as the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, the British Museum, and the West End theaters draw millions of visitors each year. Additionally, London's status as a global financial hub and its hosting of major events such as the Olympics further contribute to its popularity. With its rich history and modern amenities, London remains a top destination for travelers from all corners of the globe. Dubai is one of the most visited cities in the world. In fact, it ranked number 3 in the most visited cities worldwide in 2023, known for its modern architecture, luxury shopping, and vibrant nightlife. The city has experienced rapid growth and transformation over the past few decades, evolving into a global hub for tourism, business, and leisure. Key attractions in Dubai include the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping centers globally, and the Palm Jumeirah, an iconic man-made island. Dubai also offers a variety of cultural experiences, such as exploring traditional markets like the Gold Souk and the Spice Souk, as well as enjoying desert safaris and dhow cruises along Dubai Creek. Antalya is a rising star in the world of tourism. According to Euromonitor International's Top 100 City Destinations Index for 2023, Antalya ranked number 4 on the list of most visited cities in the world. This puts it ahead of major metropolises like Paris, Hong Kong, and New York City. Antalya's popularity is likely due to a combination of factors, including its beautiful beaches along the Mediterranean coast, its rich history and culture, and its relatively affordable prices. The city is also a great base for exploring other parts of Turkey. Paris, the City of Lights, consistently ranks among the most visited cities in the world. In 2023, it attracted over 15.5 million visitors, placing it at number 5 on the list, renowned for its iconic landmarks, rich history, art, fashion, and cuisine. The City of Light is home to famous attractions such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Champs-Élysées. Paris's romantic ambiance, world-class museums, and architectural beauty make it a top destination for travelers from all corners of the globe. Additionally, its reputation as a fashion capital and culinary haven adds to its allure. Hong Kong is indeed one of the most visited cities in the world, renowned for its stunning skyline, vibrant culture, culinary scene, and shopping districts. As a global financial hub and a gateway to Asia, Hong Kong offers a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences. Key attractions in Hong Kong include Victoria Harbour, where the famous Symphony of Lights illuminates the skyline, the Peak Tram providing panoramic views of the city, and bustling neighborhoods like Central, Mong Kok, and Tsim Sha Tsui. With its dynamic energy, diverse offerings, and strategic location, Hong Kong continues to attract millions of visitors from around the world each year. Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, consistently ranks among the most visited cities in the world. Known for its vibrant street life, ornate temples, bustling markets, and delicious cuisine, Bangkok offers a unique blend of traditional culture and modernity. The bustling capital of Thailand attracted a staggering 12.2 million international visitors in 2023. Bangkok is home to a number of impressive temples and palaces, including the Grand Palace and Wat Arun. These sites offer a glimpse into Thailand's rich history and culture. Bangkok is a relatively affordable city to visit, especially compared to other major tourist destinations. Thai food is some of the most popular in the world, and Bangkok is a great place to try it all. New York City is consistently ranked as one of the most visited cities in the world. In 2023, it was ranked number 8 according to Euromonitor, a consulting firm, list of cities by international visitors, Wikipedia. New York City offers a wealth of attractions for tourists. New York City has many key attractions including Times Square, Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, Broadway theaters, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, among many others. With its global significance in finance, fashion, media, and entertainment, as well as its reputation as the city that never sleeps, New York City continues to attract millions of visitors from around the world each year, solidifying its position as one of the top tourist destinations globally. Cancun is a popular tourist destination, particularly known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and proximity to archaeological sites such as Chichen Itza and Tulum. That being said, Cancun is a significant tourism hub within Mexico and attracts millions of visitors annually, especially from North America and Europe. Its beautiful coastline along the Caribbean Sea, crystal clear waters, and abundance of luxury resorts make it a favored destination for beach lovers, honeymooners, and spring breakers alike. While Cancun itself isn't technically a city, it is located in the Mexican state of Quintana Roo, which is part of the larger Riviera Maya region. The Riviera Maya is a popular tourist destination that includes many other beaches, towns, and cities, such as Playa del Carmen and Tulum. Mecca, while not always ranking at the very top, is indeed one of the most visited cities in the world. Mecca is the holiest city in Islam and is located in Saudi Arabia. In 2023, it was estimated to be among the top 10 most visited destinations according to Euromonitor International, with over 10.8 million international visitors. Euromonitor's Top 100 City Destinations Index 2023. This number is largely driven by the Hajj pilgrimage, which is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and required of all able-bodied Muslims at least once in their lifetime. Muslims who complete the Hajj are given the title of Haji. Millions of Muslims travel to Mecca each year to perform this pilgrimage. Apart from the Hajj pilgrimage, Mecca also sees millions of visitors throughout the year for the lesser pilgrimage known as Umrah, as well as for other religious and cultural purposes.